If all galaxies in the universe suddenly vanished except our own Milky Way, the cosmos would become a hauntingly empty and silent place. Right now, when astronomers point their telescopes into the night sky, they can see billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, planets, nebulae, and black holes. But in this bizarre scenario, everything beyond the Milky Way would simply vanish, leaving us adrift in an unimaginably vast. And to understand what that would mean, we need to think about the universe's structure, its history, and the consequences of such an event. First, the night sky would be drastically different. No matter how powerful our telescopes became, they would never reveal a single galaxy beyond our own. The breathtaking views from Hubble or the James Webb Space Telescope, showing fields full of galaxies billions of light years away, would be gone. Instead, our universe would shrink to only what lies inside the Milky Way. We would still see stars, nebulae, and black holes within our galaxy, but the distant smudges of light that astronomers have studied for centuries would vanish, leaving a terrifying emptiness beyond. This would dramatically change our understanding of cosmology. Today, the entire Big Bang theory, dark matter, and dark energy models are supported by observations of galaxies far away. For example, we know the universe is expanding because galaxies are moving apart. But if galaxies other than our own disappeared, there would be no cosmic redshift to measure, no galaxy clusters to study, no cosmic background for us to compare against. Our scientists might wrongly conclude that the Milky Way itself was the entire universe, and that nothing existed beyond. Humanity's picture of reality would collapse into something far smaller and perhaps far more mysterious. On a practical level, the disappearance of other galaxies wouldn't directly harm us. Stars and other galaxies are so far away that their gravitational pull on our galaxy is minuscule. The Milky Way orbits as part of the local group, a collection of galaxies, including Andromeda, the Magellanic Clouds, and hundreds of smaller dwarf galaxies. If all of those vanished too, the Milky Way would suddenly be truly isolated. Imagine a single island left floating in an endless ocean, with not a single other shore visible. Over billions of years, this isolation could affect the destiny of our stars. Galaxy collisions like the one expected between us and Andromeda in about 4 billion years would no longer happen. Our stars would age and fade alone without the dramatic exchanges and mergers that normally shape galactic evolution. There's also a critical question. What happened to all that lost matter? If other galaxies disappeared, trillions of stars, countless planets, and perhaps countless civilizations would have ceased to exist. The sheer destruction would be almost unimaginable, raising philosophical and scientific mysteries. Did those galaxies simply blink out of existence? Did they shift into another universe? Or was the Milky Way chosen somehow to be preserved above all others? The disappearance would echo with questions humans might never be able to answer. From Earth's perspective, life would go on almost unchanged for now. Our sun would still shine, our planets would still orbit, and the stars in our galaxy would continue to glow in the night sky. But as human knowledge advanced, we would reach a point where everyone realized how empty the universe had become. Astronomers would search for galaxies endlessly and find none. Future civilizations might build supremely advanced telescopes, stretching their gaze billions of light years deep. and yet still see nothing but the silent darkness beyond the Milky Way. That discovery might plunge humanity into an existential crisis. Is our galaxy the last sanctuary of life and matter in the universe? Are we alone, not just in terms of intelligent life, but in terms of existence itself? Perhaps the most unsettling thought is this: if galaxies can vanish, could our own vanish too? If such a cosmic event were possible, it means the Milky Way itself is not guaranteed to endure forever. This idea would challenge our deepest assumptions about reality, showing us just how fragile our place in the universe might be. The disappearance of all other galaxies would turn the cosmos from a vibrant network of trillions of galaxies into a single lonely cluster of stars. Our understanding of science, our sense of belonging, and even our hope of finding other civilizations would be forever altered. In such a strange universe, we would live under an eternal, haunting silence, an island of light surrounded on every side by infinite darkness.